Hi, my name is Andrew Maxwell. I'm an Associate Professor at Lassonde School of Engineering, Director of the BEST program and also the new Manufacturing Technology and Entrepreneurship Centre.
My name is Zheng Hong Zhu. I'm the professor from the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the Lassonde School of Engineering. I'm also one of the co-founding directors of the center.
My name is Aleksander Czekanski. I'm a professor at Mechanical Engineering and co-director of the Center for Manufacturing Technology and Entrepreneurship.
MTEC, or Manufacturing Technology Entrepreneurship Centre, was established by 3 faculty that had deep industry experience to link the research that we do at Lassonde to work in industry and to have more interactions between industry and academia. Our main focus areas, as the title says, are around creating new manufacturing businesses, using new technology to improve the productivity and capabilities of companies, and also using those changes in technologies and the disruption that's happening in the marketplace, including supply chain disruption, to create new ventures that can benefit Ontario, Canada, and York University on a global basis. So I think MTEC vision was the idea that we would be a single point of contact within Lassonde that could interact with industry and industry organizations, form new alliances, new partnerships, and advance knowledge and interchanges and exchanges. So that would be not just around research collaboration, doing research in industry that used our resources here or getting industry to come here and do research, but have students and faculty and knowledge move backwards and forwards between the two. My research is always at the intersection of technological innovation and market deployment. So particularly around disruptive technologies. And I look at how do disruptive technologies get to market, what are the challenges, how are they adopted, how are they encouraged, how are they deployed in the market. In essence, I'm a psychologist or behavioral economist sitting inside an engineering school, bringing together a multidisciplinary approach that complements the more technological focused research of my colleagues and complements it in a way that allows us to give students a better experience and to increase the likelihood that the research we do is actually used in industry.
My research background is in broad sense space engineering. More specifically, my research covers the dynamics and the control of tethered spacecraft and the space robotics. And also, I studied how to actively remove the space debris for the sustainable use of the space. And recently, I work into the areas of additive manufacturing with a focus for the space application. That means we are interested in making spacecraft in space use 3D printers.
The research background is dedicated to computational and experimental solid mechanics with application to additive manufacturing. This includes developing new numerical models, simulation, constitutive models, which enable us to virtually predict behavior of the components.
Currently, we focus on the manufacturing in the new direction, the additive manufacturing. It covers the material like steel, polymer, and even biomaterials. Currently, we are working on projects for additive manufacturing in space. And also, we work on some visionary projects. We explore the 3D printing of human tissues like skin, bones in space, for the so-called regenerative medicine. In the other directions, we're working on the electrical vehicles. And we work with Ontario automobile companies to promote or provide the solution to the city micro-mobility, which means we want to use small electrical vehicles to cover the last mile from the terminals of cities' public transit to home or to office.
So I think MTEC has just started, and to illustrate to people where we were going and how the relationships and the partnerships and the activities would be quite different from traditional research. We have a showcase project, which is my project, which is the Sarit micromobility electric vehicle. And I think that is a great focus area because it combines all of the disciplines that we bring to the table. So for example, it has new manufacturing techniques. The vehicle's made of aluminum. There's going to be some 3D printed components in it. There's going to be other ways that the vehicle's made and customized for users using robots, etc. So it has those components. It also is deploying new technologies, AI-powered vision cameras, telemetry and GPS, local detection, and a number of other tools that really advance the state of the art by making available on a low-cost micromobility vehicle something that previously has only been available on very expensive vehicles.
Over the last few months, we have demonstrated that we are growing rapidly. We are very active in supporting or leading some research activities that will bring external funds to our school or to make our school position seen by other players in Ontario or in Canada.
Please visit the website at Lassonde for more information. Thank you for your time.